Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. So today, it is the middle of the night and I had the sudden urge to go put makeup on my face. I've been watching all of these like highest and lowest rated Amazon and Sephora and Ulta type videos. I thought, wouldn't it be interesting if I checked out the ratings of my entire makeup collection? I don't know if anyone else has done this. I didn't go and check. I literally was downstairs. It's like 3 in the morning right now. And I'm like, I know what I'm gonna go upstairs and film this very second without putting any more thought into it. So I spent about half an hour Googling, and I've come up with a full face of makeup. With the exception of brows, because I haven't really been using any brow products lately, so I kind of don't really have anything to compare. Using the top rated makeup in my own collection. So I compared basically everything and picked the top rated out of every section of my makeup collection. Primer. Stellar Brilliant Primer Base. This went up against my NYX Pore Filler and e.l.f. Minerals Pore Perfecting, whatever it's called. I never use it. For my ratings, so you're aware, went between the ratings on the Ulta website and Amazon if it wasn't on Ulta. So basically the first rating to come up in the Google search. I feel like this looks more shimmery than the last time I wore it. I think I've only worn this once since I did my wear test. So the Stellar Brilliant Primer came in the lead with a 4.3 rating. Foundation. I was incredibly surprised by this one. The winner at a solid 4 rating was the Maybelline BB Cream. So this won over the Maybelline Matte and Poreless as well as the Maybelline Superstay by literally 1. The other two were 3.9 on the Ulta website. Like I said, I really don't mind that this one won because I've been using it every day anyway, but I was kind of hoping for something different, you know? Next, concealer. The winner was the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye with a whopping 3.9 rating, up against the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, the L'Oreal Pro Glow, as well as the, believe it or not, ColourPop No Filter Concealer by 1 point. Again, the ColourPop was 3.8. and the other two were between 3.1 and 3.2, which kind of sucks because I really wanted to try out the new ColourPop concealer today. I have not used it as of this moment. I'm going to take the excess on my brush and just kind of go over my bad spots a little bit. Please help. So setting powder or face powder, I literally only have the one. This had a pretty high rating anyway, I'm not too concerned. Set my under eyes a little bit. And we're not looking too bad so far. Next, I'm actually just gonna fill my brows in real quick. For eyeshadows, nearly a tie between the Burgundy Bar and the Huda Mauve Obsessions palette. The Burgundy palette was a 4, and the Huda was a solid 4.5. Okay, so maybe it wasn't that close, but these were the top 2. After I did my math and Googling. Just gonna set the eyelids a little bit. Gonna take the mauve shade in my crease. And I'm gonna take this a dark red shade here. Blend around here. Then with my finger, I'm gonna take the glittery pink shade. And then again with my finger, I'm gonna go into the really light shade here. And then just tap a bit of this in the center of my eye. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the mauve and the red. And smoke that down here. Hey, we got pink eye again. So that was... that's eyeshadow. Next, I did liner, and I did both a liquid and a gel liner. The gel liner, the winner was the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, of course. This shit's the bomb, and I'm going to do my waterline with this. The gel liner was a 4.3 rating, I believe, and for liquid liner, it was between the Stila and the Ciate, and the Stila beat out Ciate by 1 point. It had a 4.2 and the Ciate had a 4.1. So Stila takes it. I just finished with Battle of the Wings. Kind of escalated and now this is what it is, but I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. Mascara. It was between L'Oreal Lash Paradise and the Stila Huge Ass Mascara. That's basically just what I'm going to be calling this from now on. Stila beat out Lash Paradise by 5 whole points. The Lash Paradise came in at a whopping 4.5, which I thought would take the cake, and the Huge Ass Mascara came in at a solid 5 stars. Mind-blowing. This is a going out look. And that's the eyes done. Blush was from my Ipsy bag, actually, the Steve Laurent in Rosé All Day. I beat it on Amazon at a 4.2, which beat out the Amazonian Clay and Revlon blushes that I have by exactly 2 points. Oh, that is a blush. I don't know if it's just because I'm not wearing foundation and I'm already kind of red naturally right now, but I feel like I'm very blushed up. Highlighter. This one again kind of blew my mind a little bit. I put up against each other the Maybelline Master Chrome, the ColourPop Clockwork highlighter, and the Luna by Luna highlighter. And this guy won with an Amazon rating of 4.4. So I have not worn this highlighter at all since I did my Ipsy unboxing for February. Since we didn't do this with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna get some on a little brush, pop that on the inner corner. I really liked this highlighter. I don't know why I haven't worn it. And under my brow. And then I'm gonna go in with a highlighting brush and highlight literally everywhere else on my face. It's just so pretty. Lips. The winner was the Smashbox Always On lipstick with a whopping 4.5 rating. I'm not gonna list everything this went up against because I have a lot of liquid lipsticks, but this one took some time to narrow down and it was the only one with the 4.5. Okay, so for the first time trying this lipstick out, I think I like it. Alright guys, this is my finished makeup look using the top rated products in my collection. Of everything I own, this is a top rated face. I will have pictures of this up on my Instagram, which you can find down in the script bio box. I will also list everything I used down in the script bio box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you take off, and hit that notification bell because then you'll know when I put up my worst rated in my collection video. See you in the next one.